Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can open your on-screen keyboard and use your on-screen keyboard. So I'm going to show you 3 ways where you can easily open your on-screen keyboard. First, search here on-screen keyboard. Here you can easily open your on-screen keyboard. Then go to your start menu and go to Windows Easy of Access. Here you can also find on-screen keyboard. And with Run, you can also open your on-screen keyboard. Press Windows plus R to open your Run. And here you can search OSK and click on OK. So this 3 way you can easily open your on-screen keyboard. Now I'm going to type with on-screen keyboard. Create new text document. Open this. And here you can type anything like this. You can use this with Shift. Or use Control like this to select your text. Like this. So guys, in this way you can easily open your on-screen keyboard and you can use this. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.